Hi, my name's Nick Hathaway. I'm the lead instructor, owner, along with my wife Mahina, of 45 Degrees Sailing here in Croatia. We're both from New Zealand and we run family sailing holidays and learn to sail experiences here in Dalmatia. Today we're out on the Ladies Learn to Sail Day. This is a single day out on the water where a group of ladies can come out and enjoy being on the boat. No pressure, no qualification or anything. This is just about going out, learning some practical skills and how to sail the boat, have some fun, have a drink afterwards, lunch on board, and get to know some new people.
I got it. It's still early. Good morning. I'm going to try and document my day, learning how to sail.
Nice.
Hola.
Hola.
There's teeth in here. There's a little lever with teeth in here, like this.
Given that COVID has been very much a shutdown situation, these small group bookings, we take a maximum of 6 people on the boat, along with Mahina and myself. These small group bookings are a nice, safe way to get out and do something, but in an environment where you're not in a whole group of people or in the center of town, anything like that. And especially now that the lockdown laws have come a bit stricter in times, this is a nice way to get out and do that.
If I close it, it's going to come this way. It's not going to come this way.
It was good. It's interesting that it's like a team and you all have to work together and do it at the same time. Yeah, but it got hard for a little bit. Ready to tack?
Yes, let's go. This is everyone's concentrating places. Looking at that sail.
Fantastic. Amazing experience learning how to sail. It was pretty cool.
It was a lot of fun.
Definitely recommend Nick and Mahina if you're looking for a great day on the water.
It's total rookie, but I would do this again and learn more just based on my experience today. It was really inspiring.
I would. I'm actually planning on coming back with my boyfriend in a couple months, and we're both going to learn how to sail through 45 degrees.